All right, little fifth graders, this is our last video for this narrative, our second narrative. Again, the topic is, imagine that you were one of the girls who did not make the team. Write a story about tryouts and Kim's performance from this girl's point of view. So we're doing a narrative. Remember, a narrative is a story. You've got characters. We're going to have 3 to 4 paragraphs. I actually ended up with 4 paragraphs. So it is short. It's not going to be as long as an essay. You got a beginning, a middle, and an end. We did the beginning. We've done the middle, the events, and now we're going to do the end, paragraph 3. But I told you in the last one that the events could be 2 paragraphs. I actually made my last paragraph. I split it into 2 different paragraphs. You can do the same as well. The point is 3 to 4 paragraphs. Wherever you decide to put that second paragraph is up to you. It just depends what your events are in the story and how you decide to close it out, which we're doing today. Again, 5 sentences at least. It can be more than that. You tie up loose ends. You solve all the problems and you give it an ending. That's what we're mainly concerned with this paragraph. And let me show you mine as an example. But I'm going to read the whole thing so you can see how it flows. So once more, here is the introduction paragraph. I thought about it for a long time, but I made up my mind to try out for the soccer team. When I got there, I was already late. Karen, why are you late? Coach Walsh yelled. I'm sorry, Coach. I had the squirts. Get over there and run those drills with the rest of the girls, Coach then yelled. After the passing drills were over, we were all tired except for Kim. I have never liked her, so I decided right then she would be my enemy. I was going to ruin her day. So that's how I decided to begin. Now, the main events are in the middle. Coach Walsh divided us into 2 teams. I was happy when I found out that Kim was on my team. It would be easy for me to make her look bad. As the practice went on, Kim passed the ball to several teammates. On one such occasion, I thought, here is my chance. After Kim passed the ball, I bumped into her to knock her down. She fell over, and I laughed in her face and said, try scoring instead of passing. Then I heard Coach Walsh yell, Karen, sit on the bench. All right, now, here is the closing. I actually got 2 paragraphs here for closing. After sitting on the bench for about 5 minutes, Coach Walsh blew her whistle to end the practice. All the girls came to the bench to sit down. Kim did not look happy at all. I could not help but smile about that. A few minutes went by, then Coach started calling the names of those who made the team. When Coach called Kim's name, my jaw dropped. Then I thought to myself, that's okay. Coach will call my name soon. I will mess her up again when practice starts. However, Coach never called my name. When I realized I did not make the team, I knocked over the water cooler and yelled, I hate soccer. I walked home thinking how I could get my revenge on Kim. So there we have it. Beginning, middle, and end. And notice again, in my closing, I have things that happened in the passage. You need to make sure you include some of those things in yours as well. Coach blew her whistle to end the practice. That was in the passage. Kim not looking happy because she was disappointed. That was in the passage. Calling the names of those who made the team. Kim making the team. That was all in the passage. And remember, this girl in my passage is named Karen, and on our topic, it tells us a girl who did not make the team. So you got to make sure you put that somewhere in your story, that she didn't make the team. Okay? So there you have it. Beginning, middle, and end. Mine ended up being 4 paragraphs. Yours can end up being 4 paragraphs if you needed to. But 3 paragraphs is okay as well, as long as you have followed all the instructions. So make sure you get it done now. So write your closing paragraph and keep that paper safe, because tomorrow we're going to start typing it.